spend our Christmas money.
Oh!
We're in Target and we're gonna go to the bathroom, so. Anna just twerked on an old lady.
It was an accident. I thought she was
Sure,
you.
likely story. We're at Starbucks and there's people watching me. Yeah. These great angles though. I got a very, very viscous thing.
Pumpkin spice latte. Yeah. 3.
We're in a photo booth again, like my last small one.
Give me this.
We're in a Forever 21, actually. Yeah.
I like the background.
Wise words? Any wise words?
I'm about to take some pictures.
Okay, we went to Forever 21 and the bags are black now.
I know, they used to be like yellow, like bananas.
Yeah. Like,
My nose is running.
so we're going to Charlotte Russe now.
My right nostril. Go to Louis Vuitton and get a Louis Vuitton purse for like 10 bucks. Yeah.
Don't look at me. Ew.
You can do a haul when you get in the car. Just pan.
Okay, we are going to Ulta, which is not in the mall, so we have to go out, not in the mall. We went to Ulta. Now we are on our way home. Here.
Tell me you